We're back for another day of adventures. And we're already in Washington. So we stayed at an awesome Harvest Host. And we even got to hang out with the owner of the brewery in the morning. He made us coffee, which included some whiskey, I think.
I just it.
And that was fine. But he was really cool. He told us like the story about starting his business, how he's opening up a second location, all the ups and downs. It was really cool. So, sir, thank you for the awesome experience.
Yeah, thank you. It was, I mean, the best first Harvest Host experience we could have asked for.
Yeah, couldn't imagine a better one. So that was great. Now, we are continuing on. We were in Idaho, but we're like right on the edge, so we've already passed over into Washington, and now we're going to Starbuck campsite.
Not to be confused with Starbucks.
But Apple,
although it could be,
Apple Maps confuses it because it thought I was trying to go to a Starbucks, even though I wasn't. But we're heading there, and then we're going to explore some cool natural elements nearby. And I think a waterfall. A waterfall?
A waterfall?
Yeah!
I love waterfalls. I love bridges.
You do love bridges.
I love bridges.
We just stopped at Palouse State Park. What? We just stopped at Palouse State Park, I think is how you say it. There is a waterfall over there. We're gonna go on a little hike, but first we gotta do some lunch. We're having a debate.
Go this way or that way?
Should we take this shortcut to the bottom? Or should we take the long route, which kind of goes... What do you think? What do you think?
I'm thinking this is kind of steep.
Shortcut it is! Alright, we're taking the shortcut.
Stop, Andrew.
I'm holding it, one hand. I'm already falling.
I shouldn't be laughing.
My wife is laughing at me. This is what our marriage has become.
I love you.
I brought you guys along for comfort. I don't know how comforting it is though. It's not too bad. There's some bigger stones you can use as leverage to hold on to. Except if you put one wrong foot, the rocks fall and you fall. Oh, it's getting a lot steeper actually. Now there are no stones to put my hand on. I wonder if I should just run down this mountain. Is that dangerous? Probably pretty dangerous. How about this? I feel like a Spider-Man. I'm sliding down this mountain. We're about halfway. Halfway there. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm sliding a bit. Hang on, let's pause. Let's pause and check out this view. How we doing? Not bad. Not bad. Let's continue. You kind of like have to surf down this mountain. Not too bad. I'll tell you, it's at least a good view. I feel like if I fell now, I wouldn't die, so that's promising. Continuing on. It is. Well, we made it.
That's awesome.
Woo! I made it down from there all the way to here. We're still living. Life's good. Check that out. Are you kidding?
That much?
What?
That much?
I thought we just came from there. How do I stay back from it? I'm underneath of it.
It was a great day. Good night.
Was a great day. We're going to bed.
Yes.
A nice hike and a new awesome campsite. But one crazy thing that happened when we were on our hike at the falls, there was this fancy camera crew that was there. And apparently they were filming something for BBC about dinosaurs, but they weren't supposed to tell us. And now we're telling the vlog.
Telling the world.
That's their own fault. All right, well, we are off to Seattle, actually. Tomorrow, we're going to be staying in a hotel for our first time in this entire trip. And our only time in this entire trip.
I know, it's true.
It'll be nice to have, like, a non-camp site shower.
Yeah.
Our own little private thing. That'll be great.
And, like, a big bed and...
I mean, the bed is probably similar size to this bed.
That's true. Never mind.
I just want the private shower. That's the dream. But we will see you in the big city tomorrow.